Part of It Works Global. She has been a part of our leadership team, and now we have Top 20, and she's a part of that. She's been instrumental in staying the course, in teaching those steps to success, and staying within integrity of the business. And we truly value everything that she's brought, not only to each of you, but to us as a corporate team as well. Please get on your feet to welcome up Tina Beer so that we can hear Tina.
Okay, back on your feet, Cam Souter. So my aha moment sitting there was my very first It Works conference. There were 500 people, and that was in Grand Rapids. So this was the size of the conference. My, have we grown. So most of you know my story. I'm just going to tell you a little bit about how a girl with no college degree, no business background, very simple, ordinary person, nothing fancy about me, went from the left side of that chart to the right side of the chart. When I was introduced to this company, it was back in 2009, and I had already spent 10 years with another company in our profession. I was introduced to the profession through a magazine or a catalog in the seatback aircraft of an airplane. I was a flight attendant at the time. I was working full-time, and I was also taking care of my grandmother, Pearl. My grandmother raised me since I was 16 months old, and God gave us such a gift because we got to really live that full circle of life. She took care of me, and then I was honored to be able to take care of her. So my husband and I were newly married and struggling, living paycheck to paycheck, because as my grandmother's health began to get worse and worse with her Alzheimer's, there was more medication that was required, and who knows how expensive medication is, especially when it's not covered through insurance. And so for me, you know, I really wasn't looking for even those numbers, if, you know, even the Emerald income at the time, that just to me, I couldn't wrap my brain around that. All I wanted to be able to do was go to the pharmacy and hand them my ATM card and not have it be declined because I didn't have an extra $200 in the account. That is the only reason I started, or I was even open to something. By the grace of God, I found the catalog that day. I was cleaning the aircraft. The catalog said, income, opportunity. I didn't have enough income. I was open to an opportunity. So I called the number on the back of the catalog, and the person that was on there never called me back. Wow. So I kept looking, and I found somebody. And I was very intrigued, so I began my business, and the woman that introduced me to the company that I found, she was really smart because she understood that I wasn't someone looking for $10,000 a month. I wasn't looking for $5,000 a month. I said, could you show me how to make $200? So she showed me how to do that. And then once I did that, just like Dana, I thought I'm going to work a little bit harder. I'm going to double my efforts. And if I could do that, then maybe I could begin to cut back my flying just a little bit. So over the course of 10 years, I was able to start out $200, worked a little harder, doubled that. Then I made $1,000. When I got to $1,000, I thought if I could double my efforts, wow, I was just going to work a little bit harder. And all I did was just work a little bit harder. So I was blessed and fortunate to spend 10 years with an amazing company, great opportunity, and I learned so much. I really feel like it gave me my roots, my foundation, and it really taught me about the immense opportunity that we have in this profession of network marketing, but more so about the beauty of residual income and understanding that things will happen if you just give it enough time. I'm not someone, when I started, I wasn't a quick overnight success. In fact, I was probably the least likely to succeed. But she had faith in me, and I was given the grace and the space to grow and develop and to learn. And so we'll go back to 2009, when I believe with all my heart it was a divine appointment from God when I was introduced to It Works Global. I was skeptical, I was intrigued, but I also knew, just immediately an emotion came over me. I knew that I knew that I knew. This was going to be something huge, and I wanted to be a part of it. Now here's what's really funny. I recently was going through some old things, and I came across the first catalog. Do you remember the catalog from 2009? It was bad. It was so bad. And I look back now, how did I tell you? I mean, it was really bad. But you know what? Even when that catalog and the marketing materials were so simple, I knew. I came from a company that was very flashy, and when I came here, I was drawn immediately. I was drawn to Pam and to Mark. I was drawn to the simplicity of the business plan. And so I walked away from an income. I had to move quickly. So I said to Pam, just tell me what to do, and I'll do exactly that. And I won't deviate. I won't try to reinvent the wheel. Just tell me what to do. And so she sent me this little piece of paper called Steps to Success. Anybody familiar with it? It looked a little bit different back in 2009, but I said, okay, I'm going to do that. And I had probably every question in the book for Pam, and I learned so much, because every time I would ask her questions or we went blitzing, do you remember that? Like, I just wanted to know all the answers, and Pam just was like so cool and laid back, and we would go in and, you know, talk to someone, and we walked out of the store one time, and I said, you don't say very much. And you know what? She taught me simplicity. She taught me the gift of simplicity. And so I did Steps to Success. She came out in the fall of 2009. We had a small training in my home. To this day, I still have my whiteboard. I haven't erased it. It is still there. And she wrote the Steps to Success, $99 for loyal customers. And Fast Start bonus. She taught us all the Steps to Success, and then I said to her, can you tell me about how to get to Diamond? And she said to me, all you really need to worry about is how to get to Ruby. And then just go create more rubies. And so that's all I did. Now, we have been so blessed I just can't believe that this will mark my 5th year. In just a couple more months, I'll hit my 5-year mark. And I will tell you guys that my life has been transformed. You know, my husband and I, when we were first married, we were like most people, double income, and yet still circling the drain every single month. Every bit of savings that we had, we depleted that while we were taking care of my grandmother. And I don't know, has anyone in the room experienced yet taking care of a loved one? It's very challenging. It's very taxing on your spirit and your soul, and my heart goes out to you, and I deeply want you to know that it can get better. This company, gratitude doesn't quite, the word gratitude isn't big enough to express what it has done for us. So my husband and I, when we were first married, we didn't get a lot of quality time together. He was working, I was traveling. And so over the last couple of years, what it's allowed, you know, my husband has been 2 years now? 3? Gosh, time is flying. 3 years ago, my husband was a high voltage electrician for 45 years. Well, I'm telling you, time is passing. 25 years. And he went into work one day, and this was right when the economy was taking a turn for the worse. And the owner of the company said to all of the foremen, I have good news and I have bad news. And he told all of the men, these are the foremen running the job site. I think we'll be able to keep the job running and we can finish it. That's the good news. The bad news is we've got to trim the fat in our budget. And he looked at all of the men who were responsible for creating that job site and running it, and he looked at all of them and said, you are all fat right now in our budget. I can save these guys, but you have to go. So my husband called me. I was on my way to Stockton with Karen, and he called me on my cell phone and said, hey, I'm coming home early. I'm like, okay, great, I'll see you at home. He goes, oh, and I'm going to be home tomorrow. Okay, good, I'll see you at home. Well, and then I'm going to be home the next day too. Okay, great, 3-day weekend. I'll see you when I get home. And then he goes, well, and then another day after that. And he said, and I go, don't tell me. We'll talk about it when I get home. So I went to the meeting, never said a word. I came home. He looked at me. This is a man who believed in the system. He believed in go to school, get trained, be a tradesman, join a company and stay there and work your way up and retire with the company. How many have believed that? How many? This is what he believed. And so in that moment, I came home that night and I looked him in the eyes and I said, don't worry, I got this. I got this. Because my first mentor told me the very first time, the very first event that I went to, she said, Tina, I want to give you a bit of advice. She said, I want you to work your business when you can, so that if you can't work your business is always going to be working for you. At that time, I didn't know what that meant. This was when I wasn't even making $2 a month in network marketing, but I filed it away. And some of the things today that you hear might not make sense, but in that moment, when I was able to say, I got this because my business is strong and stable, and no matter what, that income is going to still come in. And so it has been wonderful. I got my husband home. He is now, we get to do life together. And instead of being two ships passing in the night, we get to enjoy a very full life. And it's just been such a blessing. And I just want to encourage you guys, you know, I don't know where you're at today, all the guests in the room. I don't know where we've caught you, but I do want to say this. You owe it to yourself to at least explore the possibilities. I'm not going to tell you that this is easy. Pam said there's no guessing. There's no guesswork, but it is work. I'm not going to say that this is easy, but I am going to say that it's possible. And all that you have to do, just what I did. I'm doing nothing different today than when I started. I'm the most predictable, boring person. I still do the same wrap party, except now we have a cool party pad. Everything I did in the beginning is what I'm doing today. And all I did was listen. I was coachable, I was teachable, I was moldable, and I was hungry. And I just kept working on focusing on getting people to understand that they could get to Ruby. I never saw myself, you know, when I first started all those years ago, 14 years ago, this girl right here would never have ever been able to even believe that she deserved an income on the far right hand. Can anyone relate? It's taken a lot of years to get to this place. But I'm going to tell you, you don't have to see that today. But it is here for you. But if you could just see the third spot, and if you could help others see the third spot, and they can help others see the third spot, one day you're going to wake up and you're not going to even recognize how your life has been transformed. So I just want to thank you for allowing me to share, and I'm going to turn it back over to Pam Salader.
With a choice. And you have a choice to become a loyal customer if you're a guest with us tonight, to save all the perks and benefits that